To Snapshot DigitalOcean Droplet Backups. Start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the control panel. Here you will see a list of your droplets. Click on the one you want to create a snapshot of. In the Droplet Details page, click on the Snapshots tab. Then click on the Take Snapshot button. You will be prompted to enter a name for your snapshot. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to identify. DigitalOcean will then create a snapshot of your droplet. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your droplet. Once the snapshot is complete, it will be listed in the Snapshots tab. It is a good practice to create regular snapshots of your droplets. This will allow you to easily restore your droplet to a previous state in case something goes wrong. You can also use snapshots to create new droplets, which can be useful for testing and development. To create a new droplet from a snapshot, go to the Create Droplet page and select the snapshot you want to use. DigitalOcean will then create a new droplet based on the snapshot. This process usually takes a few minutes. Regularly creating snapshots of your droplets is an essential part of maintaining a reliable and secure infrastructure. By following these steps, you can easily create snapshots of your DigitalOcean droplets and ensure that your data is safe and easily recoverable. It is also important to note that snapshots are stored separately from your droplet, so you will be charged for the storage of your snapshots. Make sure to review your snapshot storage costs and delete any snapshots you no longer need to avoid unnecessary costs. By following best practices and regularly creating snapshots of your droplets, you can ensure that your infrastructure is reliable, secure, and easy to manage.